In this tutorial, I will show you how to get users' location on WhatsApp. Here in the Flow Builder, create a message block and make sure the message type is WhatsApp. Click on Add Content and select Get User Data. Make sure the reply type is Location. Select the custom field in which the user's response will be saved. Take a look. Perfect. Now the user's location will be saved in the custom field you selected on the Get User Data action earlier. You can easily check that from the inbox. Take a look. The latitude and longitude which makes up the location are saved in the custom field. We have two system fields that automatically saved the last latitude and last longitude of the contact. The last latitude field saves the last latitude in the last location the contact shared, while the last longitude saves the last longitude in the location the contact shared. Get the contact's location on Google using the URL shown on the screen. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.